Okay guys, it's the big day. I'm going to get my new exhaust put on. What I'm going to do is utilize these total flow bullets. They are 2 1/4 inch. Here's the inlet, here's the outlet. And I'm going to try to go with a nice axle back 2 1/4 inch mandrel bent system because I just want it louder. So if you're not into the drone thing, I don't think that this will be the exhaust for you. But I want you to see what I have. I don't think it's going to be that much louder. This is what I'm going to go with. So I wanted you to see that. $12 each on Amazon. They were 50% off. So normally 24 each. Part number is 943. All right, let's head to the exhaust shop right now. So I'm on the freeway and you're going to notice that the freeway noise, the thrum from the tires, that sort of thing, far outweighs the exhaust sound. I'd much rather hear the exhaust than all this noise from the freeway. Hey, what's up guys? I'm at the muffler shop. It's up on the lift. I think we're gonna deal with this leak right here. You can see that that is leaking. We're gonna deal axle back, mandrel bend. We're gonna ditch the Borlas, yep. Ditch the Borlas. He's gonna break loose this, and then we're gonna go mandrel bend into these bullets right here. All right, so just so you guys can see what these things look like, you got cat. Normally you have a center muffler right here. I got rid of it a long time ago. And then here and here, you normally have 2 resonators into muffler. And it is just too quiet for me, so we are gonna fix this sucker up. Getting the GS all set up. It's coming along. Cool, man. This is what it looks like. Right there. New clamp. Mandrel bend right there. Mandrel right there. And you can hear it idling. Sounds pretty good. That is so loud. I like small vehicles. Here we go. So I'm at about 2,300 RPM, and there definitely is a slight drone or sound in the back. On the freeway about 75 miles an hour. I just want you to listen. There's definitely drone back there. So again, I want to caution you, if you don't like drone, subtle drone, you're not going to like this. exhaust setup, you're gonna have to be light with the right foot, because around neighborhoods and stuff, it's hard to keep it quiet. So right now I'm trying to keep it quiet. I have all the windows down, of course. I mean, honestly, that's quieter than a Harley. That's quieter than a large dump truck with some type of exhaust on it. So I don't recommend being obnoxious like this, but you know. It's loud. Oh, it's so loud. The entire family's opinion on how loud this thing is, and I think they're unanimously going to say to get it quieted down a touch. In the meantime, let's have some fun. The wife is impressed.
Look, I personally think it sounds cool, but when it disrupts other people, then I'm just like,
I agree. I agree. I totally agree. I just have the camera going so you can get your impression.
Are you serious?
Yes. The kids are just back there like, what? I've been telling the audience that it's obnoxious. So because it's too loud, is to replace there's a center muffler on the Lexus GS400 that was replaced a long time ago with a straight pipe. I plan to put another bullet, a longer and larger bullet, in that location to quiet it down a little bit. If the car was 500 horsepower or above, I could back up the sound, right? Perhaps. But this thing is not. I mean, this thing is somewhere in the maybe 330 horsepower, crank horsepower range. And that's just not, this is too much sound for that level of power. All right, guys, I am back at Farmington Muffler to get the GS fixed up once again. I'm gonna have an additional 2.5 inch total flow bullet welded in place of the straight pipe on the front muffler that is currently there. So that is what I'm here to do. Let's go take a look under the car once it gets up on the lift. That looks like it would already go over the top of it. But what I probably can do is just cut it back far enough to where it'll bump up against it. And then that'll be about the best way to try to cut some of that out. Okay guys, we got the next bullet welded into place. Let's see if it made a difference. I'm just gonna go easy on it. Okay, we're going up around 2,000, where the worst of the drone previously was. I can tell it's a little quieter. It's a little quieter, but it's still loud. Oh man. The AC's on, the windows are up. Come on, baby. Come on, Lexi. Go, baby, go! It's certainly quieter, but I would say it went from an 8 out of 10 on loudness scale to a 7 out of 10. It only took it down 1. Oh man, I'm in trouble. Here's my conclusion. If you are looking for an amazing exhaust on like your GS 400 or 300 or even 430, what I would do is this. I would put bullet mufflers in place of the stock mufflers, leave everything else there, cats and everything, and get headers. That will give you an amazing sound and the best bang for your buck. So that's my verdict. I am happy with what I did. I'm just telling you that if you're sitting there with cash to burn and you're wondering what the biggest bang for your buck would be, it's headers. Headers and a tuner. So you're gonna have to start adding all these things up. They're gonna cost a lot of money. Headers, a tuner, and bullet mufflers in place of the stock mufflers, and you're good to go. That's what I think.